Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can repair your items or weapons in a Township Tale. So let's get right into it. A Township Tale is an upcoming multiplayer RPG VR game, and it is currently in its pre-alpha stages. This is very early in development, which does mean that the game is very glitchy, and any information I do tell you is subject to change. However, I'll explain everything clearly in this tutorial, and if you follow my steps, you will be informed completely. As you can see, I'm using a wiki article, and I will also be using a Reddit article here, since I do not own a VR headset and I cannot play these games. However, just follow my steps and everything should be clear to you. Now, as you can see, repairing is a mechanic in a Township Tale. However, you can only repair structures around the town. There is no way to repair your broken weapons. However, there is a way to circumvent this, and just follow my explanation and everything will be clear to you. As you can see here in this Reddit article, somebody has a broken weapon and they're asking how they can repair it. It has some chips, which they say, and another person says that a few chips is far from broken and you can use it for a good couple of weeks more. However, if your broken blade is completely broken, there is no way to repair them. However, you can just melt them down and recycle them. You can use the resmelter for this, which I will show you here in this link. You can smelt down crafted metal items into ingots, add a material loss, so you'll have to add more metal to your recipe. However, this is a way to just use materials which you can use again and just gain them and help you with building new weapons. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.